Hi there technology user. Thank you for purchasing Smart MCB single phase. Here is how you can install the device. First, let's make sure that you have everything you need to successfully complete the installation. Open the MCB board you want to automate. Identify the phase you want to automate and the wiring inside the board. Connect your device, Smart MCB single phase. Test the device to ensure that the setup is done correctly. Step 1. Get ready to install. Collect all the tools required for the installation. For this, you will need a screwdriver, tester and pliers. Now identify the MCB board you want to automate with the Smart MCB. Also, make sure that you have a neutral wire inside the switchboard. A neutral connection is mandatory for the Smart MCB. In the absence of the neutral wire, please draw a neutral wire from the nearest point, otherwise, the installation cannot be completed. Installation requires handling high voltage wiring. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid any injury. If it makes you uncomfortable, reach out to a qualified electrician to help you out. To start off with, go to your MCB panel and turn off the main supply. Now let's get to step 2. Open the MCB board. Now that your power is off, now you can safely open the board using a screwdriver. Alright. Now that the switchboard is open, let's get to step 3, identifying all the wires in it. Phase wire is usually red in color but is also available in yellow and blue color. The neutral wire is the black wire, it is almost always black in color. Green wire is the ground wire. Although unavailability of ground wire will not impact the installation process. Now let's get to step 4, connecting the device. On the device, you can see the positions marked as in and out. In refers to the input point of the neutral and phase wires. Out refers to the output point of the phase wires. This device also comes with an antenna that would be connected to the Smart MCB. First, connect the antenna to the Smart MCB single phase. Draw a neutral wire and connect it to the first slot where in is marked space towards the antenna. Draw a phase wire and connect it to the second slot where in is marked. Now draw a neutral wire and connect it to the first slot where out is marked space below the antenna. Draw a phase wire and connect it to the second slot where out is marked. Once you are done connecting all the wires, carefully fix the Smart MCB inside the board panel and reattach its wall plate of the board firmly back onto the wall. Please note that electric fluctuations inside the MCB panel may at times hinder optimal device performance. Great, we are almost done. Let's finish off the installation by testing the Smart MCB. Switch on power. If the green light starts blinking, it means that the device is ready for configuration. And there you go. You are done with the installation of the Smart MCB single phase. All you need to do now is download the automation app to configure the device and control your appliances from anywhere in the world.